Hello to my Cub Scout friends, my Arrow of Lights. No, we haven't had a chance to meet for a while. I wanted to take some time and make some videos here to remind you about how to tie some knots so you can practice those things while we can't meet together. So the first knot we talked about was a square knot. So if you get your piece of rope, our square knot, we take our right hand side, our right hand, and we cross that over the left hand side. That makes a loop here. We're going to then take that piece, cross it under and up through the loop. Right, and what we've tied here at this point is an overhand knot. What we have at this point is just an overhand knot. Now the piece that we just tucked over and through is now on the left hand side. So the second part of tying a square knot is to take that, cross it over the other piece. You see again that makes a loop, and you tuck it up under. And then you just take the ends of your rope and you pull them together, and you know you have a square knot because it's still kind of loose. You can see it's actually two loops inside of each other. Okay, and that is a square knot. So let's tie a couple more square knots. So we just undo that real quickly. And again, we take our right hand side. It's going to cross over, making our loop, and then under. All right, over and under. So my first loop, and now it's on the left hand side, so I go left, over, and under, again passing it through the loop again, the new loop, and then just pull on your ends to tighten it down. And again we have a square knot. So one last time here. Let's take our rope. We're going to go over, right over, and then under the left, so it comes up through the loop, and then left, over, and under the right side. The saying goes, right over left, left over right, makes a knot toddy and tight. Now we use a square knot to usually tie our two ropes together. There's other times when we find ourselves using it. But that's a square knot, and that's the first knot we want to remember how to do. So if you have any trouble, just watch the video again, kind of go through the steps as you tie a square knot.